I know it may be silly, but no, it's not a joke. And some of you are thinking that is hard. With every little ribbit and every little croak, it tells me that I need to count on God. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. F-R-O-G is L-M, elementary. F-R-O-G like learning letters A to Z. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. Give me a F for fully. That means with all you've got. Give me a R for relying, without a second thought. O-G, who can we count on? Our Father, He's the one. A holy God in heaven, who sent His holy Son. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. F-R-O-G is L-M, elementary. F-R-O-G like learning letters A to Z. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. I know it may be silly, but no, it's not a joke. And some of you are thinking that is hard. With every little ribbit and every little croak, it tells me that I need to count on God. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. F-R-O-G is L-M, elementary. F-R-O-G like learning letters A to Z. F-R-O-G means fully rly on God to me. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. F-R-O-G is L-M, elementary. F-R-O-G like learning letters A to Z. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me. F-R-O-G is L-M, elementary. F-R-O-G like learning letters A to Z. F-R-O-G means fully rely on God to me.